Now this is how you fix your cup holder inside your Ford truck. If you cannot get this out, luckily I have these two things that I am excited to use, and I cannot get this out. So what you'll do is you can pull this out. If it doesn't pull out, push while you're pulling it, and then pull it out more, and it'll come out. And with a zip tie, you can go through the side over here. So if you're having trouble pulling this out, you can use a plier and lightly turn it counterclockwise like that. And you will see this light. You can also remove this and replace another light, which is a good way. Now this is the cup holder by itself out. And you can see this metal spring right here. It might be wrapped around something, so be careful. This is what it looks like. So you can either burn this back on, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill holes through these and then put screws right here so we can put this inside. And because you do that, so it can reattach to open and close the cup holder. So to drill the plastic in, go on a flat surface so it's safer, and using a block, a wood block is actually better because it'll drill right through. It's also easier as well. So use your 1/8 drill bit and drill through the plastic through these two holes. You might get lucky, or the plastic will fall right out.
Poke the other one out.
You might be lucky because your plastic might come right out. Like, how did it fall out? Oh, that's going on the bloopers. Okay, so if you are a child or a kid, you can probably have a parent or a guardian to help you, and I will be drilling a hole through this right here. Okay, good. And this is... Okay. So take a screw half maximum. So that's it. Now we just reinstall it back into the truck. Bug flies on me. Okay, so this is the cup holder by itself, and there's a light from earlier. and you need to put it through here. Now, it's in. So now put the cup holder reverse like this. To reinstall the cup holder, just line it up with the tracks. Okay, so now it should work. It works. I hope you find this video helpful, and please like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a nice time. Goodbye.
2.
So I will fix you I will show you how to fix the cup holder if it breaks. Okay, this won't work.
Are you getting boogers? Do you need a tissue?
Yeah.
Where's that?
I don't.
It's only
It's still too tight. I'm gonna fart. It's still good. Perfect. Now they're like normal size.
Go.
So if you wait, you didn't even start it.
Ready?
You can't hear the beep.
It's already ready.
Just like when it's ready, just go like that, okay? Where did this come from? Get out of here. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, or comment down below.